What's going on, guys? I'm here at SeaWorld San Antonio checking on the construction of Texas Stingray, Texas' longest, fastest, and tallest wooden roller coaster. This is going to be a GCI, and so far it looks pretty good. It's funny because this is one of the few GCIs that doesn't have a twisted drop. And also, instead of wood supports and wood track, it's got steel supports and then wood and track. So, as you can see, there's some guys working on it right now. I got some other shots from around the site. It looks to me like they have pretty much all of the track laid out and ready to be finished up. You can see there's that little crossbar right there on top of the track. Probably they're still working on them, putting some of the steel railing on and other stuff like that. But yeah, that's about it. Right now I'm going to cut to some other footage of what the ride looks like from different angles, and I'll be right back after that. Looks like that's going to be the Q house right there. Alright guys, that's going to be it from today's construction update from Texas Stingray at SeaWorld San Antonio. Be sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and if you have any questions about the ride, feel free to ask, or look them up on SeaWorld's website. Until next time, guys, we are all clear and out of here, and we'll see y'all later.